Bitcoin has exactly bounced from the support and right now is still trading in this massive consolidation phase, but more importantly, the massive liquidity grab has not happened yet. So make sure to watch this video till the end for me to explain to you what this means for the Bitcoin price action. I'm gonna discuss the most important resistance lines on the imminent short term, the mid-term, and more importantly, I will talk also about the big support trading below us that so far has every single time provided massive amounts of support for Bitcoin. So without any further ado, don't forget to slap on that like button back above 600 likes. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the imminent short term on Bitcoin. And on that imminent short term, while we were first seeing the massive upward sloping support line providing support, right now this downward sloping resist line is once again providing resistance. We got rejected by this level more than 6 times in a row already, and once again Bitcoin has seen another massive rejection from off this level. But what you do have to understand is that the more times that Bitcoin is going to retest this level, the more likely it is going to be that we're actually going to be breaking above it. And to be very honest, in my opinion, I just think we're going to be crushing through it anytime soon. And it's not only because there is such a massive amount of liquidity piling up on the top side on Bitcoin right now, but also due to various other reasons. But first, let me discuss the liquidity, because right now, if Bitcoin were to be hitting 44,000 US dollars, it's going to be seeing more than 700 million US dollars in short liquidations already. And if it pushes back up towards 44.7k, it's going to be approximately seeing another 500 million US dollar Bitcoin short liquidation. So there are massive amounts of shorts laying between 44,000 and 45,000. And yeah, really, once Bitcoin is going to be breaking above that 44,000 US dollar region, I personally think we're going to be climbing towards the upside real quickly. So yeah, this is something you need to be paying attention towards. There are massive amounts of short positions laying over there in the market, so those could potentially get fooled out here. I mean, a thing that I'm very worried about on Bitcoin right now as well is of course the funding rates. The funding rates are so extremely positive, what is of course absolutely insane, and I personally think that they are currently so positive out of anticipation of the acceptance of the Bitcoin spot ETF. So maybe there is a possibility we're first going to see another fake out towards the downside before pushing back towards the upside again here. But anyways, what I will be looking at is just this consolidation phase here for Bitcoin. Once we either break above the resistance on the top side or either the support on the lower side, that will be the point where that next big move is going to get initiated for Bitcoin. So here on the 4-hourly time frame as well, you can clearly see the top side right here, 44.2k, is the massive resistance we need to be breaking above of. And we've got this very important upward sloping support line. And as long as we're not breaking below or above either of these, I remain to believe that we are just in this consolidation phase right here. So Bitcoin is just consolidating and getting ready for another big move, but we need to just be a little bit more patient. Here on the daily time frame as well, you can clearly see that the Bitcoin price action is coming closer and closer towards that final stage of absolutely massive breakout territorium. And I mean, honestly, what you have to understand is currently that we're just days out before the Bitcoin spot ETF window is going to be getting opened. To be exact, we're currently 6 days out before the Bitcoin spot ETF window is going to get opened, and that is just going to be a massive thing for Bitcoin. And honestly, we do know that the SEC has already stated that they are ready to approve the first Bitcoin spot ETFs if they have filed their final submission before December the 29th. So there's probably going to be a lot of things happening in this week as well here, but I know for sure it's going to be an exciting week. It's going to be a volatile week as well, so make sure to pay attention towards the price action of Bitcoin right now. So if you want to be trading Bitcoin or do whatever you want with it, make sure to go to BYBIT, because BYBIT allows you to trade here on Bitcoin, on more than 300 different altcoins as well. And if you write a sign up account using that link below, you could get a 40,000 US dollar deposit bonus. And on top of that, you could claim a free 1,000 US dollar trade on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or on Pepe. And all you need to do for it is just sign up an account using that link below, deposit $100 in your first 7 days, complete KYC, and you could claim this insane free 1,000 US dollars. And if you really can't trade on BYBIT, check out bitfinex in the link description of today's video where you can trade without KYC. So Bitcoin is just getting ready for another big move here, and honestly, for me, it's very hard to talk about something else right now here, because this is just all the things that are currently going on here. Besides of this, there's just not a lot of good things going on, so I can't also really discuss a lot of new things as well. I mean, on the 3-day time frame, we can clearly see Bitcoin is getting ready for just another massive move here. It looks like it's going to be happening anytime soon, guys. So we're getting ready for either a big move towards the upside, a big move towards the downside. I mean, for sure, what I personally think is potentially it could be first a fake out towards the downside and then a pump, or we're going to be seeing the pump already. So yeah, this is what I am expecting. This is what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. It's not going to take long anymore, so make sure to prepare right now. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.